messages. It's good. Good, I don't need anybody. What are you doing here?
I just wanted to say that I'm really sorry about our fight. You've been a huge help with Jonathan, and I really appreciate it.
But you're not mad at him, even though he's the one who pretended that your baby was dead for a year?
That's my granddad's fault, not Jonathan's.
I don't get it. I just don't get it, Lizzie. What do you see in this guy? I mean, he's a train wreck.
Who isn't?
You're good with her.
Thank you. See, why can't you be like that all...
Be like what?
Nothing, it's not important. I want you to know that I really do wish the best for you.
Are you giving me a goodbye speech? You tell me that you're gonna run off with Jonathan and play house?
Sarah's my daughter. She's my first priority.
What does that have to do with Jonathan, Lizzie?
Bill.
What?
There's a really good guy in there, okay? And I know that. You just have to let him out sometime.
If I asked you to give Jonathan up, would you?
Oh. I didn't know we had company.
I should go.
Yeah, cute kid. Whose is it?
Mine.
Yours?
This is Sarah. She's alive, and so is Jonathan.
Oh my God.
Jonathan staged their deaths to protect Sarah from my granddad.
Does Alan know about this?
No, and he can't.
Well, no, I could lose my job over this.
You're not going to need a job if you tell him.
Whoa, wait a minute, princess.
Fine. You pretend like you never saw us, okay? Wasn't Jonathan nice to you when you came to town?
Does that mean you and Jonathan are...
Raising Sarah together? Yes.
It's good enough for me. Excuse me.
You ask me to leave Jonathan and you have Ava stashed in the bathroom? Do you enjoy hurting me? Do you?
No, I don't.
Then what is it about her? Because I really don't get it.
She's not you, Lizzie. Lizzie, I don't think you and me, we couldn't get it right. The thing with Ava, when she's around for a few minutes, I don't have to think about you.
I get it. I do. You're right. We can never get it right. Bye.
The way things were, you can't ignore.